my name is Shagun and I am a student of MB Finance in Chitkara Business School. Today I will be discussing about the topic hypothesis. So definition given by Gordon Hattie. Hypothesis is a shrewd guess or inference that is formulated, provisionally adopted to explain the observed facts and conditions and to guide further in investigation. Hypothesis is always stated before the data collection. Under hypothesis we use word support, not prove. So basically it is a powerful tool used by the researchers to relate theory with the observation. Further we will discuss the types of hypothesis. Simple hypothesis, complex hypothesis, directional hypothesis, non-directional hypothesis, null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So what is simple hypothesis? It states the relationship between one dependent variable and one independent variable. For example, if you will exercise daily, you will lose weight. Next one is complex hypothesis. Under complex hypothesis, it states the relationship between two dependent variables and two independent variables. For example, if you will exercise daily and eat healthy food, ultimately you will lose weight and get a glowing skin. Next one is null hypothesis. It states that there is no relationship between two variables. For example, in clinical trials that there is no relationship between two drugs. Next one is alternative hypothesis. It states that there is relationship between two variables. It is accepted when the null hypothesis is rejected. For example, in clinical trials, the new drug is better than the current drug. Next one is directional hypothesis. A hypothesis that shows the direction of change between independent variable and dependent variable. It shows the degree of change like a smaller, greater, increase, decrease, positive or negative. For example, intake of caffeine leads to increase in activity. Next one is non-directional hypothesis. A hypothesis that shows the effect of independent variable on dependent variable but does not mention the degree of change. For example, intake of sugar affects the human health. Thank you.